We have an amazing and effective free trading strategy here that we can utilize with Quotex. As we analyze the current market conditions, we can observe that our CCI line is positioned at the very bottom of its CCI chart. This positioning is quite significant, as it indicates potential future movements in the market. Furthermore, upon closer examination, we notice that our zigzag indicators are not forming a continuous line at this moment. This particular situation suggests that there is a high probability for the zigzag line or trend to shift towards an uptrend in the near future. Given these observations, we should consider making a trade in the upward direction based on this analysis. It is important to note that we will be executing trades for a duration of 1 minute. However, it may also be beneficial to contemplate trading for a time frame longer than 1 minute to increase our chances of success. We will closely monitor our trading results based on these strategies and observations. We're 50-50 with our situation. We got good trading result resulting a positive trade. Let's find reliable trading spots to trade with. Another trading opportunity here. Our CCI is at its middle point, aiming its trend to go up, while our zigzag line here is on pause, having high chance for the trend to go up. Following this trend here, let's trade up on this. We will predict that the zigzag line will create a line on this spot. The trend goes up, and following a zigzag line towards it, we got good trading result. Another good spot here. The CCI is at the middle while our zigzag is checking for the right direction to be traded. As we predicted, the trend will go down since our recent patterns shows that there will be downtrend on this situation. Let's trade down on it. Good trading result. Then I will show you the parameter settings of our indicator. Our CCI is with a period of 26, and the zigzag line is of a deviation of 4. Depth of 15, with a backstep of 5. Make sure to use 15 seconds candle time for this to make the strategy perfect. See the rest of the video and follow us to get latest trading strategies with Quotex and other trading brokers.
I